Thinking about using Hostinger for your website? Whether you're starting a blog, launching a business website, building an online store, or even hosting WordPress, Hostinger is one of the most popular hosting options online right now. In this Hostinger review video, I'm going to give you a full honest review of Hostinger, including performance tests, pricing, WordPress features, security, customer support, and whether it's the right hosting provider for your website. And just so you know, I also have an exclusive Hostinger coupon code that will save you extra money, up to an additional 10% off beyond what you see on the pricing page. Hostinger already offers some of the lowest pricing online, so that extra discount definitely helps. To take advantage of the discount, just click the link in the description below. I provide the coupon code next to the link to get the best deal. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's jump in. Hostinger is a beginner-friendly, budget-friendly web hosting provider that's known for fast performance, great tools, and super affordable pricing. They host millions of websites worldwide and use Lightspeed technology, which is one of the fastest hosting server types available today. So even though the pricing is cheap, the technology behind it is actually very strong, which is why Hostinger has become so popular. Hostinger offers several hosting types, but the most popular is its web hosting plans. Premium web hosting, great for beginners and small websites. Business web hosting, best for higher traffic or growing sites. Cloud hosting, more power and scalability. VPS hosting, for developers or advanced users needing full control. Now let's break down the popular web hosting plans, because choosing the right plan can make a big difference. Premium web hosting plan, it's currently the Hostinger Black Friday sale, so pricing is at its lowest at $195 a month. Plus you get an extra 10% off with my exclusive coupon code. This plan supports up to 3 websites, includes 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, a free domain and SSL, and weekly backups. It's a great entry-level option if you're just getting started or want to host a couple of small projects without spending much. Business web hosting plan, most popular, it's currently the Hostinger Black Friday sale, so pricing is at its lowest at $275 a month. Plus you get an extra 10% off with my exclusive coupon code. This plan noticeably steps things up. You get everything in the premium plan, plus the ability to host up to 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, which is faster, daily and on-demand backups, free CDN, and more email flexibility. For most people, this is the best balance between performance and price. Cloud Startup Plan, it's currently the Hostinger Black Friday sale, so pricing is at its lowest at $745 a month. Plus you get an extra 10% off with my exclusive coupon code. This plan is built for heavier traffic and scalability. You can host up to 100 websites, get 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, more email capacity, a performance boost during traffic spikes, a dedicated IP address, and priority support. This one makes the most sense for online stores, agencies, or websites expecting steady growth. To get the lowest price, Hostinger requires a longer commitment. Typically the 48-month plan offers the biggest savings. They also offer 24-month, 12-month, and monthly billing options, but the shorter terms cost more. Just a quick note, annual plans include a free domain, while monthly plans don't, and the extra coupon discount usually doesn't apply to monthly billing. A few things to note: free domain name on annual plans, free SSL certificate, 30-day money-back guarantee, email hosting included, unlimited bandwidth on most plans. So if you're comparing hosting value, Hostinger is one of the cheapest ways to get started without sacrificing performance. Speed matters because a slower website means fewer clicks, fewer sales, and lower Google rankings. Hostinger uses Lightspeed servers, NVMe SSD storage, HTTP3 and QUIC, built-in caching with the Lightspeed Cache plugin. I tested a fully built, fully functioning website with Hostinger, and the average load time came in at around 991 milliseconds, under 1 second. That's extremely fast for web hosting, and honestly faster than some premium hosting providers I've tested. Even after running multiple tests across different locations, the performance stayed consistent, which shows Hostinger is doing a great job with Lightspeed, caching, and server optimization. They also include a free CDN on most plans, which helps your website load faster globally. Performance-wise, Hostinger is easily one of the fastest web hosting providers available. If you're building a WordPress website, Hostinger is fully optimized for it. You get one-click installation, automatic updates, staging environment on business and above, AI website builder option, plugin and theme auto-installer recommendations, the Lightspeed Cache plugin. It's beginner-friendly, but still power enough for growing WordPress sites. Another thing I really like about Hostinger is the control panel. They don't use cPanel, Instead, they use their own custom dashboard called hPanel. And honestly, it's one of the easiest dashboards to use, especially if you're new to hosting. The layout is clean, modern, and everything is clearly labeled. You can easily manage domains, email accounts, WordPress installs, backups, and security settings, all without feeling overwhelmed. If you've ever looked at a traditional cPanel and felt confused, Hostinger's hPanel is a breath of fresh air. So whether you're a complete beginner or someone who just wants a simpler experience, the control panel is definitely one of the highlights. Security is included, not an upsell. You get free SSL, weekly or daily backups depending on plan, DDoS protection, malware scanner, web application firewall, two-factor login protection. For most users, this is everything you need for a secure website. If you don't want to use WordPress, Hostinger now has an AI-powered website builder that helps you build a site with drag and drop tools, templates, and automatic design suggestions. It includes AI Logo Maker, AI Blog Generator, AI SEO Assistant, e-commerce features, great for beginners who want a simple setup without plugins or coding. Hostinger offers 24/7 chat support, and they also have one of the most helpful knowledge base libraries online. Their support team is fast, friendly, and helpful, especially for beginners. Pros: extremely affordable pricing, fast performance with light speed servers, beginner-friendly dashboard, free domain with annual plans, free CDN plus SSL, great WordPress optimization, 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: best pricing requires longer-term billing, no cPanel, uses their own custom dashboard, though many prefer. Some features like staging aren't available on the lowest tier plan. Hostinger is perfect for beginners, WordPress users, blogs, and business websites, portfolio sites, e-commerce stores, anyone wanting fast hosting without paying premium pricing. If you want enterprise level or developer heavy hosting, VPS or cloud plans are the better choice. Overall, Hostinger gives you incredible value for the price. You get fast performance, solid features, beginner-friendly tools, security, and great support, all at one of the lowest prices online. And remember, if you do decide to sign up, use the link in the description along with my exclusive Hostinger coupon code to unlock the extra 10% discount that Hostinger doesn't show up front. It'll apply automatically once you enter it at checkout. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of website you're building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.